Chabot Space and Science Center, 86,000 square foot science museum. It has a state-of-the-art 241-seat planetarium, 200-seat theater where we do hands-on science shows, laser shows, state-of-the-art 3 large telescopes, some of the largest telescopes available for public use on the West Coast, as requested by Anthony Chabot himself, that they always be free to the people of Oakland. So to this day, people can come to see the telescopes, view the stars, look out and wonder and discover.
We have watched Chabot grow over the years, and it was phenomenal.
Place for Oakland and the East Bay and the broader Bay Area to gather, to have experiences. We try to be a hub for other organizations, for families, for school children, for those who are both interested, knowledgeable, and also just curious.
It was just a place that I started bringing my daughters. They sort of like grew up here at Chabot. I think they can remember coming here for the last 10 plus years of their lives.
I believe that Chabot is a great place for young children to come to learn about space and also spark their imaginations on what is possible for them.
I see star clusters, galaxies, stars, and planets. It's a spacecraft. Me too. Wow.
So I'm a huge fan of the Galaxy Explorer program. They're here at the center, on the floor, interacting with the public and explaining what can be pretty difficult scientific concepts to a full range of ages.
I grew up in East Oakland. I would go outside in my backyard and use my binoculars to look at the sky. But I didn't find anybody who was as passionate as I was. So there wasn't really much opportunities in science. And so finding Chabot was just like everything I've been looking for.
My favorite thing about the Galaxy Explorers is watching them grow over time. They come in 9th or 10th grade and you see them all the way through college. For their first year, they're just trying to figure out how it works, where am I supposed to be, what am I supposed to be doing. They're volunteering on the floor. They may have never worked before. Public speaking, totally frightening for some of them. And then you see that moment where it begins to click and they're able to stand out there on the museum floor and do it by themselves and have moments with the public. And it's not just the science, but it's the confidence. And programs like the Oakland Space Academy, where you can double down on a short course and get hands-on experience that's transferable to jobs, and that is invaluable.
When my daughter got a little older and applied for it, we looked at the program and it was actually surprising sort of how multifaceted it was. You've got a rigorous course of study across 4 areas that build core skills that they often use in school, like right now, and if you're going to go into a science or technology related field, are very useful for that work in the future. There's this space renaissance happening. There are more and more companies in the Bay Area and up and down the coast in California that are focused on this next generation of space and aerospace companies. And I think all of that together forms a really set of interesting, unique opportunities for the Oakland Space Academy. The program is here to help shape those skills and produce people that would be great candidates for them.
We're not just a standalone, isolated observatory. We're actually a contributing member of the scientific community. Publications, discoveries. We've even aided in the locating of the lost Apollo capsule with our telescope, Rachel. They called the Chabot Observatory, and we were able to locate the Apollo astronauts and give coordinates to get them back home safely. And so we've really become an icon for the Bay Area.
Chabot is currently celebrating its 25th year on Skyline Boulevard. And we've launched a Next Gen Fund to help us fuel education and workforce development pathways for our students so that they can thrive, so that we can offer them the best experiences and supportive environment.
The whole community, in so many ways, is truly remarkable. I believe that Chabot in the next 25 years will continue to grow.
I can't believe I went from being that little kid, curious about science and being inspired to go into science, to just having the opportunity now as an employee here to inspire other kids.
3, 2, 1. Blast off.